Ethereum cost truly equivalent to $1,868.13 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,855.90 $1,880.04, which really is very critical. The earlier day close, $1,864.81 in a very significant way. The change sort of was plus 3.32, plus 0.18%, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Converse rate, USD to ETH, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, showing that the change in every practical sense was plus 3.32, plus 0.18%, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $18.57, extremely greatest 1987, exceptionally least 1727 in an extremely huge way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost $18.22, for the most part greatest 1950, fundamentally least 1694. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $18.59, especially most extreme 1989, especially least 1729, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 13, cost $19.38, greatest 2074, especially least 1802, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $19.38, exceptionally most extreme 2074, genuinely least 1802, showing that Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $18.57, exceptionally greatest 1987, lovely least 1727, or so they in a real sense thought. In multi-week Ethereum figure on Monday, April 17, cost $19.10, especially greatest 2044, truly least 1776, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $19.09, especially most extreme 2043, genuinely least 1775 in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.39, all things considered, greatest 2075, certainly least 1803, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $19.40, sort of greatest 2076, genuinely least 1804, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 21, cost $19.62, in every way that really matters, greatest 2099, truly least 1825 in an especially enormous way. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $20.27, really greatest 2169, genuinely least 1885, which generally is genuinely critical. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $19.59, sort of greatest 2096, certainly least 1822 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $19.95, greatest 2135, kind of least 1855, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $19.86, genuinely greatest 2125, sort of least 1847, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $19.14, kind of greatest 2048, least 1780, showing how today. Exchange cost range, $1,855.90 $1,880.04, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $2,000, most certainly greatest 2140, truly least 1860, which most certainly is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $19.24, beautiful greatest 2059, certainly least 1789, showing how Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost $19.39, most extreme 2075, by and large least 1803, which especially is very critical. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost $2,000, extremely greatest 2140, truly least 1860 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $19.48, genuinely most extreme 2084, especially least 1812 in an especially huge way. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost $19.72, genuinely most extreme 2110, certainly least 1834 in a kind of huge manner. In about a month, Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $19.39. In every practical sense, most extreme $20.75, especially least $18.03, showing how Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $19.95, kind of greatest $21.35, truly least $18.55, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $20.73, essentially most extreme $22.18. Exceptionally least $19.28 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ETH swapping scale exceptionally equivalent to 0.5353 coins per $1,000 in a kind of significant manner. Today, S reach 0.5319-0.5388, or so they generally thought. The past day, S nearby 0.5362 in a really significant way. Change for now 0.0009, 0.17%, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to ETH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, April 10, cost 0.539 coins, sort of greatest 0.579, extremely least 0.503 in a for the most part large manner. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.549 coins, lovely most extreme 0.590, truly least 0.513 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.538 coins, by and large most extreme 0.578, kind of least 0.503 in a quite huge manner. USD to ETH forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.516 coins, most certainly greatest 0.555, least 0.482, exhibiting that Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $19.48, sort of greatest 2084, really least 1812, which most certainly is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 0.516 coins, truly greatest 0.555, least 0.482 in a huge way. In multi-week USD to ETH forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.524 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.563, kind of least 0.489, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.524 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.563, lovely least 0.489 in a by and large significant manner. USD to ETH forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.516 coins, truly most extreme 0.555, really least 0.482, which is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.515 coins, greatest 0.554, extremely least 0.482, which basically is very huge. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 0.510 coins, sort of most extreme 0.548, least 0.476 in a genuinely enormous way. In about 14 days, dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, April 24, cost 0.493 coins, essentially